What's up, Cam fam? It's been a while. Actually, not a while, a few days actually. And back with another toy review. As you saw the thumbnail. This beautiful baby. Been a while since I've actually done a review on something. What was the last time I did a review on anyway? Oh, okay. Oh, bitch. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, as usual, we first take a look at the box. Here's the logo. Oh, it's a dinosaur. And foreign key, Jurassic World, Hammond collection, Spinosaurus. Here's the baby in the box with the pretty eyes. And the true FX. Ages 18 plus. Oh shit, I can't play with that. Hammond collection, Spinosaurus bring to defense. Jurassic World 3. The backside. The backside. Hammond collection, Spinosaurus. Some figure shots that are quite nice. Premium details for enhanced realism. Alright, that's good. And the side, the spine. Oh, it wraps around. Okay, I need to figure that. The top of it, the box. And let's open her up. Open it up. It sounds open up sounds dirty. Got my trusty knife. I can't zoom out anymore. Did I get it? Woohoo! I got it. Put up a mission to film and one hand and everything else. Okay, just hold on 1 second. There's a big girl out of a box. Still in the protective whatever. The paint app is really good. Let me put another light on 1 second. Oh yay! Okay, here's another light for you to see better. It makes it look like shit. Okay, there's the paint apps. Oh, paint applications are beautiful, you know. And black toenails. And them teeth. She needs braces, yo. Okay, let me put this off. Let me try and get it out of her packaging. Okay, wait, that's not gonna work. Just hold your horses 1 second. And I nip the tip. Tip there. Oh, she got around her neck. Yo, bastards. Oh wait, and she got her feet tied down. Got that cut and shut down on the inside? Yes, she does. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. Put up a mission to get to this one. Don't be so mean. Why are you mean to me? Why are you mean to me? Hey, come on, man. I get it. I get it. Wait, pass on my camera now. Why isn't she zooming in? Okay, very slowly. Okay, I'll be right back. And finally, I can take her out of her packaging. Camera! What's holding her inside? Oh, she got one more on her arm. We get the trusty chip. Getting inside in there and come on. I got one. I got it. I got it. Now she can be free. Oh, she got a tail. She left her tail behind. Oh wow, this thing is so much more beautiful in person. It's so pretty. I love the glass eye though. Or plastic eye with the pupil. It's. Let me try and get her. Oh no! Trying to get her tail out. Oh man. Oh man. Not the red wire. Cut the red wire. Cut the red wire. Damn man, that's solid. No, this so it should be able to slide out. That's what she said. Man. Oh, there's another one here. Cut the red wire. That was so satisfying. Oh no. Havada Kedavra. Okay. Let me get you guys propped up. One second. I know you're looking at the floor. No, oh no, who's that? Okay. There's her ass. Her tail. Colors the right side. Can I zoom out a bit more? No. Okay. Okay, that should be right. Colors are right. And let's get it. Why do they always make this so hard? Oh, is that it? That's it. Aye. And damn, she's beautiful. She looks bit of a mission to get her standing. Okay, 1 second, let me try and get you further away from us so you can see a bit. Okay, finally made the plan, Dexter. Propped you guys up on my chair. So it looks a lot better. Y'all can see the figure a lot better. And I can play with it a lot better. And articulation, let's go over that. Tail wise, it's quite bendy. You need to use a force though. Has a knee joint right there. Ankle joint sort of. Toe joint. Can do some heavy curls. Mouth as usual. Beautiful articulation. A tongue fell out. And this figure is pretty nice. I mean, I really in love with this figure. The main problem is she's still new, so her joints are still a bit like stiff. But other than that, she's pretty nice. She's a bit front heavy though. She's a lot harder to pose than the Giga though. Let's try and get her posing. Oh no, can't. Stop holding on to my string. It's a bit of a mission to pose, man. Don't be so mean, baby girl. 1 second. Okay, she can't. I've been battling for the past 5 months to help her stand, so I finally found my photography light to keep up. And she's quite a big girl actually. Quite a big girl. Let me pan you guys up a little bit. Okay, now you guys got a better view. She's quite a big girl. I mean, let's compare her. This is her next to the Giga. The Giga, I think, is a far bigger figure so far. Can't even see her next to the Giga. And height-wise, let's see if you can see the Giga on the other side of her. Oh, almost the same length, but Giga is slightly bigger. Hold on. The Giga is slightly bigger than her. Not that much, but slightly bigger. Far better though. And far more well balanced. Let's put her next to the Spinosaurus. Okay, but I mean that she's quite small. The Dino is quite significantly smaller than her. One second. Far smaller. And next to her friend she never met, which I wish they did. Rexy! Come here, girl. And this is still my favorite figure of all. Only thing, her feet only. That's a problem. But the size comparison here is actually far better. Far better. And alright, that's it. I'll see you guys in this video. I'm going to be playing with this girl a hell of a lot. So I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.